Well, time to feed the birds. Oh my god. The hell? The hell is this? Fucking rats. Motherfucker. So, got a problem. I've been feeding these birds for days, but for some reason, a large family of fat ass rats have been eating all the bird food in the house over there. So, I've been thinking about solving this in the most American way that I can think of, and that is, I'm getting my gun. Get him gun. Or just blow it up, whatever. And now to celebrate my flawless victory. Fucking cake.